Hi, I'm fixing this Fiero unit and I'm replacing this gear here. As you can see, it's worn down with a new brass here and with new, kind of see, rubber stoppers. And the rubber stoppers in here turn into like a green mush. Really weird stuff. It's just back when I was cleaning it all over, it was all over this unit, and it's just really weird stuff. It's the plastic mixed with the grease and turn into green. So anyways, that's what I'm doing, and I'm putting it into the Fiero, and it'll be like new again.